Here's our last graph. This is a graph that you graphed in grade 11. Did you give this graph a name in grade 11? Do you remember? Called this one a volcano. That's not an actual math term for this graph, but it's kind of fun because you have like the asymptotes here, spewing lava everywhere, right? So there we have our volcano graph. We have to describe how each of these could be translated and then say what the equations of the asymptotes are for the new graph. So in part A here, I'm just going to take this equation and rewrite it with a 3 on the other side. And now we just have to describe it. What does that 3 do? Moves it up. So we can say that it's been translated 3 units up. There's 2 asymptotes on our original equation. One here at x equals 0, one here at y equals 0. How are they going to get changed? Are they both going to get changed? Are they both going to stay the same? Only one going to get changed. What would the equations be if you moved it up 3? Can you see that the vertical one is going to stay the same when you move it up and down? So we're still going to have x equals 0. But the horizontal one, that horizontal asymptote when you move it up 3, is going to change to y equals 3. And in part B, again, I'm going to rewrite this with the y by itself. And we have to look, where is the original equation? Can you see the original 1 over x squared? Can you see that there is now a plus 3 where the x was? And there's a minus 4 outside of the function. So that plus 3 is going to move it 3 units to the left. And the minus 4 is going to move it 4 down. So 3 to the left will change our vertical asymptote from 0 to minus 3. And 4 down will change our horizontal asymptote from 0 to minus 4. And knowing that is what would allow you to, if you wanted to graph this, you could start with those asymptotes and say, I now know that there's an asymptote at minus 3, another one at minus 4, and so now my graph looks like this. Questions you can do for this one are 16 and 17. There's just over 5 minutes left, so we'll get as much of that done as possible.